Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Gantry 3D printer faster. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Gantry 3D printers are a popular technology that takes use of the existing know-how in the field. The Gantry is, at its most basic level, a frame structure that supports and guides the 3D printing head along the movement axis. Kabod or Icon are two example construction Gantry 3D printers whose operation is inspired by far older controls, such as those used in Gantry 3D printer construction systems, may currently be able to move on a first horizontal axis on the ground, where we can find two rails. The printer head moves up and down on two vertical beams, going up and down and moving on two vertical beams. The print head then performs the third axis movement, which is horizontal once again and walks on the beam that supports it, with creative solutions allowing it to move and spin in different directions. These technologies are of course very sophisticated, allowing for more accurate movements during the extrusion process. The majority of the materials with this solution are concrete and clay. Plastic is also suitable for his production method, but because of its mechanical properties, it is less used than other materials. Gantry 3D printers are in high demand because of the entire system's sturdiness and resemblance to smaller 3D printing technologies, which are well understood by experts who don't have to make huge efforts to comprehend how to utilize it. In short, we're just expanding the mechanical manufacturing system, and it works similarly to a tiny FDM desktop 3D printer in this case. The printing volume of this system has a particular shape that is emphasized in one direction. Hypothetically, if the rails on which the Gantry travels are lengthy enough, it's feasible to make things that are decades or hundreds of meters long. Another potential consequence of this mechanical system is that it might be produced in series. Imagine a device with two hypothetically infinite long rails that moves forward at an unending rate and produces things in sequence. Let's try to make a short list of the characteristics of this system as we go through it one more time. Given the mechanical makeup of this device, we can infer that we are approaching a limit with respect to printing volume. In order to grasp this idea, consider that the object you wish to print must fit within the printer's printing volume. Given that our scale is the building scale, you can imagine that buildings exist. This implies that structures must be reduced to this size. Buildings must be reduced to this size in order to fit into the printing volume of the machine. This may appear to be a joke, but it is a genuine issue for those who want to construct unique structures in just one print session. I think you'll agree that it's simpler to create one-story structures rather than multi-story ones. Of course, the problem can be solved by inventing mechanical systems that can be scaled up or, in an easier way, fabricating the building by pieces or in more than one printing session. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.